Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix a banking app that's stuck on the verification screen. So first, check your internet or mobile data connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent the verification process from completing. Then next, close the banking app completely and then open it again. If that doesn't work, then try restarting your phone. Make sure the banking app is updated through your official app store. You should also check that your phone's date and time are set automatically. And if you're waiting for an SMS verification code, then make sure your phone can receive regular text messages. And please don't repeatedly request new codes because this can sometimes create additional delays. And if you're using email verification, check your spam or junk folders as well. Also, please do not uninstall the app unless you know you can safely sign back in afterwards. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.